Sound, a form of energy, is all about vibrations. We hear it as it travels in air from its source to our ear. Lightning and thunder are produced simultaneously, but the thunder is heard a few seconds after the lightning is seen. Same is true with the sound of a bat hitting the ball. This is because the speed of light is much more than the speed of sound. To calculate the speed of the car, we need distance the car has traveled and the time it has taken to travel that distance. We will calculate the speed of sound in air with the help of two terms associated with it, wavelength and frequency. The natural vibrations of the air in this fluid are due to a phenomena called resonance. We will take help of this effect to calculate the speed of sound. Instead of using tuning forks with known frequency, we will use an app on our mobile phone, Frequency Sound Generator. This is how 900 Hz sounds. Let us use this PVC pipe to calculate the wavelength of this sound. PVC pipe is open at both ends. We will fill this glass with water. With 900 Hz sound from the phone placed near the open end, we will lower the pipe inside water. Height of the open air column inside the pipe changes as we move the pipe up and down. At one particular location, the sound becomes louder. This is the length of the air column which resonates with the 900 Hz source of sound. Right now, it is 88 mm or 8.8 cm. Now let us do some analysis. This end of the pipe is closed while the other end is open. Air particles inside the pipe are moving randomly. Sound from the speaker is responsible for the vibration of these air particles. These particles oscillate without leaving their location as sound travels. This is just a one pressure pulse from the speaker. It travels and bounces back at the close end. As the frequency of this sound is 900 Hz, this happens 900 times in a second. Incoming and reflected pulse results in a standing wave pattern. I will not go into details right now. X-axis represents the distance from the closed end. Inside the pipe, pressure at the closed end is highest, while it is approximately equal to atmospheric pressure near the open end. This results in no displacement or movement of air particles near the closed end, while maximum displacement of air particles near the open end. This is shown as the red line. If we plot a graph of this movement, it will look something like this. The part inside the pipe is 1/4 of the wavelength of sound. In our case, it is 88 mm. Maximum displacement happens slightly outside the pipe. We have to add some value to this, which is called end correction. It is equal to 0.3 times diameter of the pipe, which is 0.3 into 16 millimeter, which is 4.8 millimeter. So 88 plus 4.8 is 92.8 millimeter, which is 9.28 centimeter. Wavelength of this sound is 4 times 9.28 centimeters, that is 37.12 centimeters, which is 0.3712 meters. When we multiply frequency and wavelength, we get a speed of sound, which is 334 meter per second. Sound also depends on the temperature. With 28 degrees Celsius, this is very close to the calculated speed of sound at 348 meter per second as per this Hyperphysics website. You can find the URL of this online calculator in the description. Many scientists have doubted the formula for end correction. We will try another way to calculate the speed of sound which does not need end correction. If we take the same pipe with 30 cm length and repeat the activity again, we can hear resonance at two places. This length is marked as L1 while this one is marked as L2. First at 28 cm and next at 8.8 cm. We can combine these two equations to get rid of the end correction. As per the formula, we can calculate the speed of light at 345.6 meters per second, which is very close to the actual speed of sound at this temperature. Now that you know how to calculate speed of sound, do try these variations in terms of shape and size of the resonating objects as well as that of water container. With the help of a plunger tip of the syringe and pencil, you can also do this activity without using water. Do give it a try. Thank you.